So, do'stlar, endi ikkinchi passagega o'tamiz. Ikkinchi passagega o'tsak, orientation of birds. Orientation of birds. All right, orientation of birds. Qanaqa qilib qushlar orientatsiya oladi? Oh, table qilmadik haqiqatdan ham. Table qilish kerak. Table qilamiz. Men ishlamaydi cho'ti. Ishlamayapti-ku bu. Xo'p, endi bir boshdan ketsak. Birinchisi, faced a lot of competition. Faced a lot of competition. Ya contradiction bor edi. Nima degan contradiction bor edi? Monopoly. Ikkida most important consideration degan so'z. Most important consideration so'ziga priority degan so'z. Va cargo size esa cargo size as much as possible as much as possible, right? Uchinchisi. Xo'p, uchinchisi nearly 2 years ga synonym nearly 2 years, almost 2 years. To'rtinchisi highly dangerous degan gap yo'q. 5 stop being used for commercial purposes. T mature leaves o'rniga 6 ga qaraymiz. Mature leaves o'rniga contradiction bor edi. Contradiction fresh leaves degan so'z bor edi. 7 xo'p bizada remarkable so'zini o'rniga fast and slender. Have so'zini o'rniga have so'zini o'rniga esa with degan so'z ishlatdi. 8 particularly affected, 9 cold bo'ladi trading. Established 10 savoldagi established so'zini o'rniga opened up degan so'z ishlatilgan. 11 complete the paperwork so'zini o'rniga fill out the official paperwork deb yozilgan. Paperwork. Va oxirgisi 12 at the end of their journey. At the end of their journey degan synonym bormi? Once there, that to'g'rimi? Towed by at the end of their journey degan synonym once there. Va 13 motivated by money degani I think enthusiasm for competition is synonym bor ekan. For competition is synonym. They were delighted in competing. Degan so'z bor. To'g'rimi? Mana shu yerda bizada paraphrasimiz bo'ldi bugungi passage uchun. Slender degani juda qo'pol emas degani. Katta emas. Hamma yuborib qo'ying buni notlarini hammasini. All right. Endi biza ikkinchi passagega o'tamiz. Orientation of birds. Xo'p, orientation of birds degan passageda I think title is self-explanatory, right? Title manimcha aniq. Qanaqa qilib qushlar nima qiladi? Masalan, biz bilamiz, ular sovuqda janubga uchib ketadi. Qanaqa qilib yo'lini topib boradi? Right? So yeah. No more than 2 words debdi, no more than 2 words. First type, birinchi tur, types of homing behavior. Homing behavior deb uyga kelish nazar deyapti. Birds rely on their sophisticated. However, they are generally most successful if they are released within their feeding territory. Second type, birds select their accustomed, kunikkan nimandir. No matter where they are released. As a result, they miss their something. And then birds orientate correctly even when they are released in unfamiliar place and have no something. And one bird with this type of skill is the short and topshim skill. I mean, could happen. Boshqa passage ham qildik shekilli. Birinchi summary completion keldi. Nima farqi bor? Qaysi birinchi, qaysi ikkinchi keladi? Muhimi o'sha odatiy savol turlari. Mana summary completion, mana which paragraph contains the following information. Har doim ham ismlar kim ekan? Demak, shu uchun buni oti matching features do'stlar. Ay to'g'ri. Aksariyat hollarda ismlar keladi, lekin bizga mana bunaqa boshqa narsalar ham kelishi mumkin. Ba'zi vaqtlar organizatsiyalar oti, mana hozirgi anaqa caseimizda qushlarning ismi berilgan. Qushlar bilan ularni biza pointini topishimiz kerak. Har bir tag'isi haqida writer nimandir point aytmoqchi. Mana e'tibor bersangiz, mana shu qushlar ketma-ket keladi, e'tibor bering. Xuddi ismlarga o'xshab, bular ham ketma-ket keladi tekstda. Katta ehtimollik bilan. All right. The effects of distance on some birds ability to find their nets. The effects of distance the ta'siri. Methodology of testing the general ability of birds to find their nests. One aspect of physical ability in humans and birds. And how some birds' migration was delayed for experimental purposes. How birds' migration was delayed for experimental purposes. And then domestic pigeon. Bularga qaramayman, qarang. Meni do'stlar, men bu savol, men bu ism kelsa, mana domestic pigeon kelsa, men hammasiga qarashga majburman. Shuning uchun hozir boshida qaramayman. Xuddi shunday, mana A paragraf tugatganimdan keyin hammasiga qarab chiqaman. All right? Endi bu savol turida meni ham esimdan chiqib ketadi. Buni ko'p marta gaplashamiz. Mana hozir biz siz bilan bugun 7x3 21-passajlarni qilyapsizlar, to'g'rimi? Kurs davomida. Uy vazifa bilan 21 ta bo'ladi. Hozir 20-passajni qilyapmiz. Ko'ryapsizki, hech kim esida qolmaydi, lekin har doim passage bilan birga ishlaysiz. Hamma shunaqa qiladi. All right? Ya'ni, masalan, o'ta xotirangiz kuchli bo'lmasa, photographic memory bo'lmasa sizda, hammada esda chiqishi tabiiy. Menda ham esdan chiqarish uchun har doim savollar bilan birga ishlaysiz. Maqsad bittada tugatib ketish. All right. For many of us, the way birds are able to orientate is both astounding and difficult to appreciate fully. Right. So, for instance, the annual migration of the golden plover of Pacific ticks from Alaska on a flight well over 3,000 kilometers. If it were deviate by only 1 degree, it would miss the island on which it nests. Agar 1 gradusga adashsa, ketdi deyapti. Javob bormi? Effects of distance on some birds ability to find their nests. And methodology, one aspect, how delayed for experimental purposes. Birontasi bormi? 19 dan 22 gacha. Dan 22 gacha. Do'stlar, bormi javob? All right, I guess I'm doing it with Umar only probably. All right. Yeah, delay qilinmadi, lekin atadan kechiktirmadik-ku bironta qushni anaqasini. All right. Xo'p, mana first type yo'q, boya qush chiqmadi. Move on qilasiz. The first systematic studies on orientation in birds were made possible by homing instinct. Okay. Exhibited by so many species. Birds are caught at the time when they show an attachment to their territory, especially during the nesting season. Mana o'zini territoriyasiga qanaqadir bog'liqlik ko'rsatgan paytda ularni tutamiz. They are taken to some spot, released, and percentage of returns is recorded. Biron joyga olib boramizdan qo'yib yuboramiz. Qani necha foizi qaytdi? The distance can be varied and the direction as well as method of transporting them, and then the influence of climatic and other factors on their ability can be studied. Shu orqali biza nima qilamiz? Bilamiz. Distance o'zgartiramiz, direction. These experiments have shown a wide variation in ability to home, and 3 types of homing identity have been identified. I think bittasi javob chiqib qoldi. Qaysi savolga javob chiqib qoldi? Yes. All right, 20-savol mana shu paragrafdan olindi. Chunki methodology, homing instinct mana shu orqali aniq qilingan ekan. B javob 20 B bo'ladi, ya. Xo'p, 20 B. Nima uchun men 23-savolga qaramayapman do'stlar? 23-savolga yoki bo'lmasa 14-savolga qaramayapman. Chunki u so'zlar hali kelgani yo'q yoki pigeon yoki first type haqida gapirmadi. Mana misol uchun first type degan keldi. Men endi qaysi savolga qarashim kerakman? First type kelgani uchun birdaniga 14 ga qarashim kerak bo'ladi. Shuning uchun 14 ga qarab turamiz, right? Birds methodically explore the area in which they are released until they pick up some familiar feature. Then they quickly find their way back to the nest. Such birds possess highly developed visual memory. Javob chiqdi. 14-savol javobi nima bo'lar ekan? 14-savolning javobi sophisticated visual what? Memory, right? Chunki highly sophisticated, highly developed synonym bo'ladi. Is experiments with pigeons have shown. Oh, pigeons degan so'zdan chiqdi. Domestic pigeon deyishsa yaxshiroq ekan. All right, domestic pigeons. Now, domestic pigeon ham chiqdi do'stlar. Domestic pigeon ham. No one was in two words yozilgandi. Domestic pigeons have been trained to pack at a certain point on an aerial photograph. All right. With a system of rewards, 4 years later, the birds were still able to respond to this training when placed on the aerial photograph. Birds' eyes have few power of resolution 2-3 times greater than ours, enabling them to pick up very fine details. All right. So if a bird uses only this type of homing behavior, however, it can only succeed if the point of release is not far too away. If the birds, if the birds are transported 800 kilometers from their nest, it's only by good fortune that they find their way back as a result of long exploratory fights. So this distance is 8 kilometerga narx qo'ysak, bu bitta javob chiqdi. Qaysi javob chiqdi? Mana shu gapda 19 chiqdi. Agar distansiya 8 kilometrga o'zgartirib qo'ysak dedi, bu degani distance'da bitta qush anaqasiga ta'siri deyapti. 19 C bo'ldi. 19 C bo'ldi, do'stlar. Xo'p. Usually the area known to a bird is its feeding territory. Released within this area, the birds soon make their return. Xo'p. Anaqa ularga tanish bo'lgan territoriya, ularni ovqatlanadigan territoriyasi. One aspect of physically built in humans and birds. Odamlarni ham gapirdingmi? Mana shu bor ekan. Exactly. Mana bu joyda bor ekan, 21. Birds' eyes have power of resolution than ours. 21 ham C bo'ldi. 21 ham C bo'ldi. All right? 21 ham C bo'ldi exactly. Ba'zilariz men hozir well, how do I know if the paragraph has an answer? O'zi shuni testga Umar, ya'ni paragraphda javob bormi yo'qligini qayerdan bilaman desangiz, endi test shuni aniq qiladi. Two answersligini qayerdan bilamiz? Mana odatda ba'zi vaqtda o'tkazib ham yuborishingiz mumkin. Keyin yana bitta matndan qaytib o'qishingizga to'g'ri keladi. Majbur bo'lasiz, lekin hozir biza mana humans so'ziga va physical ability ni bitta anaqa birdsni ko'rishi. To'g'rimi? Mana ours degan joyda biza humansni o'zi mana ko'pchilik writingda xato yozaveradi-ku, human beings, humans deb yozaveradi. Biza humansni qachon ishlatamiz? Qachonki siz uni maymunlarga, qushlarga yoki kompyuterlarga, qurt-qumursqalarga taqqoslaganingizda ishlatasiz. Boshqa vaqt humans ishlatmaysiz. Shuning uchun writingda human beings believe deb yozish vahshiy xatoligini mana bitma shu holatda bilsak bo'ladi. To'g'rimi? Endi o'qib ko'rasiz. Mana ikkitalikda e'tibor bering. Har safar hammasiga qarab chiqmadingda. Misol uchun men hali seni tugatganimiz yo'q-ku. Biz guruh bo'lib ishlayotganimiz uchun kimdir aytib qo'ydi. Men masalan har safar tugatamiz, hammasiga qarab chiqishga odatlaning. 19 B ni tugatasiz, hammasiga qarab chiqasiz. C ni tugatasiz, hammasiga qarab chiqasiz. Hozir mana pigeon so'zi keldi, mana pigeon so'zi keldi, domestic pigeon. Men nima qilaman? 23 taga hammasiga qarab chiqishga majburman. Mana kimlardir boya passage oldinroq tashlaganim uchun javoblarni ham yozayotganlar ham bor. Hozir e'tibor berdim chatda. released within this area, the birds soon make their return. Release them outside it, far fewer return. However, if a bird is released for a second time in the same place, its visual memory comes into play, and the bird no longer requires tedious exploratory fights. It will return much quickly. Tez qaytib qo'yib qo'yar ekan. Xo'p, pigeonga qaraymiz. Domestic pigeon. Domestic pigeon yaxshi tomoni nima ekan? Have been trained back to a certain point with a system of rewards. 4 years later, birds was still able to this training when placed on error. Qaysi bo'ldi javob? Yeah, I think so. Sizda MC tanladingizmi? Okay, mana buni nima? Visual memories kuchli ekan-ku, bularni. Keyin misol uchun pigeonlar buni ko'rsatdi deb yozib qo'yibdi, to'g'rimi? Mana qarang. They have developed highly visual memory. Memory degani demak ability to remember ga sinonim bo'ladi. Right? Bizga qarang, qachon ishlatamiz misolni? Birinchi gap aytamiz, keyin misolni beramiz. Pigeon nimadan undan oldin gapiga qarashingiz kerak-da. Well, A javobda ular boshqa trainingsiz deyapti. Training haqida gap bormi? Ularni train qildikmi biza? Biza bu qushlarni train qilish haqida gapirdikmi? Pigeonlar haqida training haqida gap ketdimi? Train packed. Train bor ekan, right? Pigeons have been trained to pack at a certain point. Bu yerda nima train deyapti-ku. Bu yerda teskarisini aytyapti, xuddi shu so'zni. Deydi. Without degan train qilinmasdan deyapti. O'zi javob chiqib ketish kerak bo'lgan javob ekanda. 23 C. To'g'rimi? Mana visual memorydan olindi. Visual memorydan. Xo'p, 23 javobi ability to remember things bo'ldi, chunki visual memorysiga tayanar ekan domestic pigeonlar. Xo'p, the second type of homing behavior, demak, mana bu savolga qarayman. Second type of homing behaviorga, mana bu savolga is shown by birds that are capable of choosing their flight direction and holding it to for the rest of their journey. All right. For how do they decide what direction to take? They appear to choose their normal migration direction, even when they are released in a different place from their starting point. Bizda javob chiqdi. Qaysi javob bo'ldi? Javob nima bo'ldi? 15. Normal degani custom ga sinonim bo'ladi. Shuning uchun migration direction bo'ladi. Direction. All right. No matter degani even if ga sinonim bo'ladi, ya. As a result, they miss their If, for example, birds normally fly to the northeast, blah, 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 they will immediately. So if they are released to the further, they might maintain the correct, but fly to west, they fly west of their destination, so fail to arrive. So they might miss their 16 nima bo'ldi shunda? 16 ga destination bo'ldi, to'g'rimi? Agar sal bu yoqqa uchib ketsa, anaqasidan uchib ketish mumkin ekan. Masofasidan destination. Hope delay qilindimi? How some birds migration was delayed for experimental reasons. Ataydan experiment uchun ularning migrationni shu paragrafda ana qilindimi? Qarangizlar, har bitta paragraf tugandan keyin qaraveramiz, a? Yo'q, bu yoqdachi Alpine Swift bormi? Swift, Alpine Swift, Taylor Swift. Oxirida ham gap yo'q. Ketdik. The third type of homing behavior, demak yana qaraymiz. Third type of homing behavior shows the highest degree of orientation. Eng zo'ri shu ekan. Released at one point, the birds immediately take stock of it. Birdaniga take stock of it degan umumiy anaqasini oladi. Compare its position. Nima bo'ldi? Birinchisi adjective bo'lib keladi-da. Mana o'tganizki washing machine deb turing. Gulmira. Nima hozir muammo bor? Is degan so'z yo'q-ku u yoqda. Is'da o'zi yo'q-ku. Birds like their accustomed. Ikkita now. All right, yes. Released at one point, birds immediately take stock of it, compare its position of with the nest, decide on the direction and fly off. This happens even if birds are in a country right off their migration routes where they have never been before. All right, bizda javob chiqdi. Released at one point, birds immediately take stock of it, compare its position with the nest, then decide on the. All right, right. This happens even if the birds in a country right of their migration when they have never been. In one example, lice and albatross return to its nesting area in the middle of Pacific Ocean. So javob nima bo'ldi? Ikkita javob chiqdi birdaniga. Birdaniga ikkita javob chiqdi. U qush oti nima ekan? O'sha qush oti Laysan albatros ekan. 18 Laysan albatros bo'ldi. To'g'rimi? 17 esa migration routes bo'ldi. All right. So the percentage of successful birds vary greatly, being highest in those species with a strong migratory behavior. Thus, the lesser black gull is more migratory than the herring gull. Reach home. Great migrants such as swift, all right, swift, have the highest percentage of returns. In one case, 7 out of alpine were recaptured then after they being believed. Xo'p, nimani aytdi? Nima uchun alpine swift aytildi? Menimcha javob chiqib qoldi. Nima uchun aytildi ularni? Qaysi point ko'rsatmoqchi 24 ga? F. Exactly. Sababi ularda success rate juda yuqori ekan. 9 tadan 7 tasi qaytar ekan. 9 tadan 7 tasi qaytar ekan. Xo'p, alpine bizada mana bu javob bormi? Qaysidir qushlarni anaqasi delay qilinganmidi? Qaysidir qushlarni migration delay qilinganmidi eksperiment uchun shu paragrafda? No, davom etamiz. What part does heredity play in all this? Heredity rol o'ynaydimi? Ya'ni genetika. 2 research studies suggest that instinctive, genetically inherited behavior patterns play a part in navigation. The first was carried out by Ernst and it's highly significant. All right. Nega F bo'ldi ustoz? 24 deb so'raganlar bor. Sababi qarangizlar. Great migrants ularni returnlar foizi eng yuqori shular ekan. Har 9 tadan 7 tasi qaytar ekan. High success rate in finding nest. Ular uyda topishda eksperiment bo'lyapti-ku boyadan beri. O'sha 9 tadan 7 tasi topar ekan. All right, davom etamiz. Xo'p, bu nemis nima qilibdi? Nemis anaqa qilibdi. Endi bu heredity rolini qarabdi. Xo'p, heredity rolini qaraganda European storks degan qush bor bizada released them later after the departure of the adult storks at a time when they normally make their west and migration to Africa. The recaptures show that in spite of the fact that there were no adults to guide them, birds were mana endi javob keladi. Bitta yigit bo'sh Bobur qayerdasiz endi? Mana Bobur. Shu endi siz boya A deb yotdingizki, mana shu javob endi keldi, to'g'rimi? Sababi adult uni guide qilishga, guide degan so'zi training so'ziga keldi, yani sinonim bo'lib turibdi. Uni guide qiladigan adult bo'lmasa ham topib keladi. This was almost strikingly finding, for it showed birds an innate and unlearned attraction that have occupied for thousands of years. Xo'p, 22G. 22G, man. How some birds' migration was delayed for experimental purposes. Yeah, they released them a year later, yeah. All right, yes. So, keyinchalik release qilingan. So the case of starlings is a little different. Starling degan qush ham bor ekan. These birds have a great aptitude. Aptitude degani skill, ability degani for homing, but this behavior differs in the different age groups. Birds that was shifted to the southeast of their normal migration routes split into two lots. In the bizga ham imkon beringizlar, biz ham topaylik. The adults in full possession of their gift. All right. Hello, people. The adults in full possession of their gift orientation found their wintering area by modifying their direction, but whereas the juveniles, demak adultlarda mana bunaqa bo'ldi degani, adultlarda bunaqa bo'ldi, juvenilelarda bunaqa bo'ldi degani nima degani ekan? Bu nimani ta'siri? Nimani ta'siri? Bu yoshlikda ta'siri ekan. Shuning uchun the effect of age on homing ability. 26 savolning javobi shunda o'z-o'zidan nima bo'ldi? D bo'ldi. Xo'p, bu yoqda 22 G bo'ldi, to'g'rimi? Xo'p, endi keling keyword table tuzamiz. Bu ham ana hozirgacha sizlar menimcha ko'rib bo'lyapsizlar. Faqat testimiz nima testi? Lug'at testida. Alright, lug'atingiz bo'lsa, topasiz. 26ni qaytib tushuntirib bera olasizmi? Yes, qaytib tushuntirib bera olamiz. Qarang. Mana bu gapni aytdi. Starling degan qush bor ekan. Uni holatiga qarasak, vaziyat boshqacharoq. Bu qushlar homing abilities kuchliroq ekan, uyni topish abilities kuchliroq ekan. Lekin o'sha qobiliyat yosh guruhida farq qilar ekan. Kattalarda boshqacha ekan, adultslarda boshqacha ekan, juveniles. Demak, bu qush bilan nimani ko'rsatmoqchi edi? The effect of age. Age ta'sirini ko'rsatmoqchi edi. Shuning uchun javob D bo'ldi. 14 sophisticated so'zini o'rniga nima degan so'z ishlatildi? Sophisticated, highly developed degan so'z ishlatildi. 15 savolda bizada accustomed so'zini o'rniga qaysi so'z ishlatildi? Accustomed. Normal so'z ishlatildi? That's okay, yes. Normal. Miss their destination. Miss so'zini o'rnigachi? Hamda do'stlar, 16da miss their destination ga qaysi so'z ishlatdi? Fail degan so'z ishlatdi. 17 have no migration routes and make the bularni tashlab ketamiz. 19 effects of 19 qayerdan topding endi? 19 qaysi paragraf? C paragrafdan topamiz. C ga qaraymiz. 8 kilometers ga qaraymisak, 800 kilometers 19dagi distance gets in 800 kilometers, right? Kilometers. 20. Methodology desa, methodologyga B ga qarasangiz, methodology methodologyga homing instincti tushish ehtimoli ko'proq. Ayniqsa computer delivered IELTS topshirsangiz tushish ehtimoli juda katta. But what mana o'zlaymiz biz methodologyga. Homing instinct. One aspect of physical ability. One aspect of physical ability. Ability degani eye, right? Imtihonlar endi kompyuterda bo'ladimi? Endi 25dan O'zbekistonda ham kompyuterlar bo'lsa kerak 2025dan. Ay saytda короче 22da esa years later'da manimcha. Years later. 23 C tanlagan ekanmiz. Ability to remember'ni o'rniga visual memory so'zini ishlatgandi. Visual memory. Hop, 24-savolimizdagi F'dagi high success rate kelsa, high percentage of returns ishlatilgandi. Hop, 25dagi A'dagi without previous training is guide so'zi bilan berilgan. No guide, no adult to guide degan so'z bilan berilgandi. 26-savolimizdagi effect of age esa nima so'z berilgandi? Eng oxirida differs in age groups degan so'z berilgandi. Hop, bu Yo, u boshqa davlatlarda, Tailand, Malayziya kabi davlatlarda, O'zbekistonda emas hali. O'zbekistonda menimcha keyinchalik hamma davlatlarda bo'lishi kutilyapti. Sababi oddiy. Cheating kamroq bo'ladi. Masalan, Indiya, Chinaga o'xshagan davlatlarda cheating ko'p bo'ladi. Yana sababi Inspiraga o'tgan, kompyuterda topshirsangiz, Inspira degan sistema bor. U sistemada invigilator aralashmaydi, videolar bilan ko'raverasiz. Skript o'qishga hojat yo'q. O'sha jihatdan yaxshi. Keyin one skill retake degan narsa bor. Kompyuterda topshirsangiz one skill retake bor, lekin paperda hamma har xil narsa bilan topshirsa iloji bo'lmay qoladi. O'shaning uchun hamma qaysidir yilda endi IELTS kelajagi, mana hatto kompyuterlar ham, nima deydi, kompyuterda yozilgan writingingiz ham human factor olib tashlash uchun menimcha katta ehtimollik bilan 1-2-3 yilda уже odam tekshirmaydi uni, anaqangizda human tekshiradi. Lekin task achievementni task one'da tekshirish qiyinroq. Reading naborot kompyuterda osonroq. Mana hozirgidek qilib ishlanadi. Bitta tomonda passage, bitta tomonda text bo'lsa, bitta tomonda savollar bo'ladi. Ancha osonroq menimcha kompyuterda ishlash. Listening ozgina qiyin bo'lishi mumkin, atak bir xil. Alright, writing ancha osonroq agar kompyuterda ishlaydigan odamga. Xo'p, endi biza savollarni tuzib bo'ldik. Sizga vazifa berildi, role of accidents. Xo'p, do'stlar, bugungi darsimizda ozgina